Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Motorola Moto G52. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and enter NotifyBuddy. Like this, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, you will need to grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is phone permission. Simply click grant and then allow. Next is overlay permission. It will move you to your settings. Here you need to find NotifyBuddy, select it and allow display over the other apps. Go back and do the same thing with notification permission, find NotifyBuddy, allow all the access, go back. Here's battery optimization and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step, click OK. And here we have a fully working app. You can find 4 different tabs in the bottom of the page. And the first one is user. Here you can select any app to get this custom LED lamp notifications for. Next is system, and here you can find any system bound apps as well. In the active you can see all the apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change how the LED lamp will look like and act like. So you can change the time between blinking, size, shape, placement on the screen, color of the LED lamp, all kinds of stuff. But some of the settings are locked behind the premium version. And now if you want to see how it looks like, click on the test and here we can see our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.